Typing Web, Completing and Turning in Test. As part of this course, you will be using the website Typing Web to practice your typing skills. Every week you will have assignments to do, and every Friday you will complete a test. The first thing you do in Typing Web is your initial typing test. Under Assignments, you will find an assignment that says Typing Web Initial Test. There are instructions for completing it, and that is where you found this video. I have already created and assigned you a username and password for Typing Web. If you cannot find the post with your information, filter post by direct, and your Typing Web username and password will always be available under that. You do not have to remember this username and password because it will always be available in Edmodo. To complete your initial Typing Web test and all future typing tests, go to www.typingweb.com. Make sure you bookmark this site as you will be using it often. At the top of the page, it says Student Login. Click on that. Under Username, type in the username that I have given you and the password. You may want to click on the box that says Remember My Username and then click on Login. At the top of the page, you will see tabs for Courses, Games, Certifications, Test, Statistics, Trophies, and Skins. Skins are the appearance. What you will be using mostly in this class are courses and test. For this specific assignment, you will go to Test. When you go to that, the test will upload. When you are ready, you will click on Begin Lesson. Remember, the typing test is to see how well you touch by type, so try not to look at the keyboard as you're typing and try to keep your fingers in their proper positions. When you finish the first page, a pop-up window will come up that says Exercise Complete. If you notice the lesson progress, it says 33% complete. You are not done with your typing test. Click on Save and Continue to go on to the second page. When you have completed the second page, you will get another pop-up window. Again, it'll give your progress so far, and it'll say 67% complete. You still are not done. Click on Save and Continue. Once you have completed the third page, a final pop-up window will come up. It'll say Exercise Complete, and your lesson progress will show 100% complete. This is the information that I need to track your progress. To turn the assignment in, click in the upper left-hand corner and drag until you have highlighted everything down from Exercise Complete to Retake Exercise. Right-click and copy. Do not click on Save and Continue until you're sure that you have this copied and you're able to turn it in. Leave the pop-up window open. Go back to your Edmodo window. Click on Turn In. In the box that says Type Your Response Here, click and then right-click and paste. This will put in all of your information. Go ahead and rate the assignment and click on Turn In Assignment. Once you have done that, go back to the Typing Web and click on Save and Continue. After you click on Save and Continue, it will show you your progress over time. It is very important that you click Save and Continue after you've entered your information. When I check to see that your assignments are done, I check both in Edmodo and I go to Typing Web to see that the course has been done. If you do not click Save and Continue, it will not save your test results, and I will tell you that you need to redo the assignment. This completes your instructions on how to complete and turn in tests for the Typing Web.